26-year-old Christine Kauzen learned she had epilepsy 5 years ago. With seizures happening for days at a time every other week, the condition took over her life.
When those happened, I could not go to work. There was no fighting it.
More than 260,000 Canadians live with epilepsy, according to the Canadian Epilepsy Alliance. 70% of people can gain seizure freedom with medication. But drugs didn't work for Christine.
We had probably tried me on 5 different medications, and none of them were working at all. And by the time I had gone into the epilepsy monitoring unit the first time, they had said, yes, you are medication resistant. This isn't going to keep working.
But her medical team had an idea, surgically installing a responsive neurostimulation device in her skull. That meant 2 electrodes in a specific part of the brain to measure electrical activity connected to what is effectively a mini computer.
And that computer then makes a decision as to whether the patient's having a seizure or not. If it detects seizure activity, it can deliver an impulse very similar to a heart pacemaker and hopefully prevent the patient from having a seizure.
The device is approved in the United States. Special approval was granted from Health Canada, and in July 2024, Christine became the second person in Canada to have this procedure. She had 1 seizure immediately after the surgery while in hospital, but other than that, Christine has been seizure-free.
I very much gotten my life back. That is the way to say it. I am planning things for my future where before I would have never actually made plans even for a couple weeks at a time. That risk is actually worth it now.
The company responsible for the device has not yet sought approval from Health Canada. Doctors hope that will soon change. Katherine Ward, Global News, Toronto.